How to fix system phone call progress in Imo. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Imo, up to date your Imo app. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now find out Imo, tap on Imo, tap on push stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Imo app and call someone. Now I hope that this method fixed system phone call in progress Imo problem.